Ladies and gentlemen, let me paint you a picture. A while ago, my neighbor Colin decided to build his own tiny house. And by tiny, I mean it was basically a garden shed on wheels with dreams way bigger than its square footage. You'd walk in, hit your head on a shelf, trip over a folding toilet, and exit through the same window you entered. It was like camping inside a puzzle box. Before we dive into this ocean of timber luxury, make sure you hit that subscribe button for Campavto. We cover everything from house-sized RVs to trailers that look like IKEA exploded inside them, with jokes included, no extra charge. Now, the Kingfisher from Unplugged Tiny Homes is their smallest loft model, but don't let that fool you. It's a tiny home that doesn't know it's tiny. At 2.8 meters, 9.1 feet, wide and 4.5 meters, 14.7 feet, high, it packs serious vertical space. The loft bedroom blew my mind. It has standing room on two sides. No crawling, no ducking, no yoga poses just to get into bed. It even comes with a full-height wardrobe and a pastel blue feature wall that says, "Yes, I'm tiny, but I have taste." I like the most how the kitchen wraps around you like a cozy hug. It's L-shaped, packed with real cabinetry, a full-size fridge, and, wait for it, a pull-out pantry. The solid timber countertops are smoother than my pickup lines and probably more effective. The lounge is where things get clever. A convertible sofa, a snack bar that moonlights as a desk, and stairs with hidden storage underneath. And then, the bathroom. It's got a real shower cabin, actual vanity, and space for a washing machine. My friend Dave saw it and said, "That bathroom's nicer than my whole apartment." He's not wrong. The Kingfisher rolls on cypress timber flooring with golden fixtures that shimmer like sunlight on water. It's all wrapped in a dreamy white and blue coastal vibe. Now, about the price. It's currently down from $144,000 Australian dollars, $91,000, to $135,000 Australian dollars, $85,400. And hey, if you want to keep watching me crawl into luxury lofts or test toilets that turn into showers, become a sponsor. For just $1, that's less than Colin paid for his DIY composting toilet, and trust me, that was a mistake we all smelled. The link is under the video, don't leave me hanging.